video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way I've found to make a drag and drop widget within UE5. There actually are some events for this, like drag detected. You can do it on mouse press down and detect drag, and then it'll go into the drag enter, use that event, etc. It's not terribly complicated, but I decided to just go my own route and do it this way because I found it very simple. And yeah, here's what I've got. So this is a widget that I've created, and I'll show you what this looks like. So I've just got my brush and the button and stuff. The style of the button exposes properties. But whatever you want in here, you need a canvas panel, and then just drag whatever you want into it and make it centered. Yeah, make it 0, 0 with 0.5 and 0.5 on the alignment. And then this is all you actually really need for the nodes. So on tick, you're going to check if it's dragging, and if it is, grab the canvas panel slot of your outermost container within the canvas panel, that is, and then you're going to get the mouse position on the viewport, and you're going to subtract your initial mouse position from that and set that as the position of your slot. Then pretty self-explanatory here. Okay, so I have a button here, and you also, I guess, will need a button to make this work, although you can detect mouse press on other objects. It's easiest to do it with a button. So yeah, so you can see you can add these here if you don't know where to add those at. Anyway, yeah, so again, just set it dragging or not dragging based on pressed or released. And when it's released, of course, you need to set it back to the 0, 0 if you're not going to do something else with it, or like destroy it or something. If you need it to go back to 0, that's how you can do that also. Yeah, you need to just set the initial mouse position whenever you press it. And then all I've done is I've dragged that into my main widget here for my game, and you see I can add style and brush. But that doesn't matter at all for your purposes, at least as far as getting the basic setup of this going. Here are these nodes if you need them, just for how to add a widget and show the mouse cursor and stuff. Anyway, that's all of it. It's super simple. That lets me do this right here. Done. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.